Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, and today we have another hand selected vehicle to introduce to the market, coming in the form of a 2017 67 registered Range Rover Sport SD4 HSE. As we walk around the exterior, you'll see the car is finished in the Carpathian Grey metallic paintwork, and the interior is complementing the exterior perfectly with the Ebony Leather interior. Having covered just 63,206 miles, this vehicle comes with full Land Rover service history, and when built this vehicle had 2,165 pounds of factory fitted optional extras above and beyond the normal specification. Walking around, you'll see the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, the likes of the fixed side steps and the rear privacy glass. And as we have a look on the inside, entering by the driver's door, the very well looked after, well presented Ebony Leather interior. First thing you see on the door card is the 3-stage electric memory seat controls, and then from top to bottom you have the Alston Headlining costing £1,035, the 4-zone climate control, the 60/40 folding rear seats with through load, and then we have the premium noble plated paddle shifts costing £35. Throughout the centre console and across the dash we have the dark grey oak veneer. So the car comes fully integrated with the satellite navigation, the reversing camera, and with the reversing camera, as you would expect, you've got the front and rear parking sensors. Very consumer friendly, really easy to use, beautiful both inside and out. And at AMT Specialist Cars Leeds, we can offer you a tailor-made finance package and discuss the purchase of this vehicle. Thank you for taking the time and watching the video. I hope it's been of some use, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.